If you want to create viral short form videos like this one,
Kodo is joining forces with Google Cloud. They're providing developers with free AI code review tools.
for completely free, that's right, you have to spend $1 in API credits because we're going to be using a self-hosted free MCP client tool. The first thing you have to do is create a trigger. In this case, I'm using the when clicking test workflow trigger. For the next thing, we're going to create an RSS feed. For the URL, I'm going to be using the VentureBeat AI feed right here. Now, for testing purposes, I'm going to be using a limit to one item right here. Next, we go ahead and create an edit field notes. Edit fields notes, where we're going to be setting a title, this one, and a content snippet, this one right here, for our agent to process. Now in the agent we have to feed it a title, the title right here, and the content snippet, and we're gonna assign a role in the prompt and a task. Now we're going to toggle on this button right here, require a specific output format. I toggle on. For the chat model, I'm going to be using the OpenAI chat model. And I'm going to create a new tool right here called MCP client. Now, before you create this tool, you have to open your command prompt and run this command. Now, before you do that, you have to go to pexels.com. You create an account. Then you go to pexels.com/API/key. Once you create your key, you copy your key and you paste it right here in the Pexels API key. Now, once you run this, you go to Docker and it should be a container here, short video maker container. Now the next thing you have to do is copy this URL endpoint right here, SSS endpoint, and paste it, host docker to internal 3123 mcp.sse. For the tools to exclude, we're gonna select selected. I'm gonna choose selected. I'm gonna include the create short video. Now once we toggle on this, I'm gonna put an output parser right here. When I choose structure output parser, we're going to be, the JSON is going to be a video D. I'm going to require a video title. Now I put a wait node right here for 300 seconds. I think it's a little bit excessive. You can play around with this to save less time or more time for you in your case. Just to be safe, I put 300 seconds right here, but you don't have to do that. So next node is going to be an HTTP request. You are going to be using a get method. And for the URL, we're going to specify host docker.internal 3123 API short video, and we're gonna be /. I'm gonna paste it the video ID, right? Drag and drop this video ID right here, and that's it. We have our viral animations ready to go for free. If you like this video, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.